Hello. You are watching Rahmat English Research Centre. Here, you will find easy ways to learn and understand English. Our goal is to strengthen your English skills. So, let's get started. Question 12. At the school office. A student asking about admission details. Example: what documents are needed for admission? Complete above scenario. Answer: scenario, at the school office, a student asking about admission details. Characters: student and school office staff. Conversation. Student: good morning. I would like to know about the admission process. Staff: good morning. Sure. Which class are you seeking admission to? Student: I want admission to class 9. Staff: all right. You will need to fill out the admission form and provide certain documents. Student: what documents are required for admission? Staff: you need your previous school's transfer certificate, report card, Aadhaar card, and 2 passport-size photographs. Student: is there an entrance exam for admission? Staff: yes, there is a written test for class 9. It will be conducted next Monday. Student: thank you. Where can I get the admission form? Staff: you can collect the form from this office or download it from our website. Student: what is the last date to submit the form? Staff: the deadline is this Friday. Please ensure all documents are attached. Student: thank you for the information. I'll complete the process soon. Staff: you're welcome. Feel free to ask if you have any more questions. If you like this video, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Rahmat English Research Centre. Do share your feedback and suggestions in the comments. Thank you.